How to update TikTok app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update TikTok easy and fast on your phone. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the Play Store on your phone, and after you go to Play Store, search for TikTok in the search bar and click on it, and you will find this update option right here, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click on it and it will start updating your TikTok. After it finish, your TikTok must be working good, and then restart your phone and everything must be working as good for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.